Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two heavyweights in the presentation game, WPS Slides and the OG Microsoft PowerPoint. If you've ever wondered, is there a PowerPoint killer out there? Well, stick around because we're about to find out. Quick heads up before we get started. I've included links to download both WPS Slides and PowerPoint in the description below, so if you'd like to follow along or try them out for yourself, feel free to grab those. All right, let's get into it. Let's start with the first thing you notice when you open these apps, the interface. PowerPoint. Classic, familiar, and honestly, it hasn't changed much over the years. If you've used it before, you'll feel right at home. But for beginners, it can feel a little overwhelming with all the tabs and options. WPS Slides, sleek, modern, and dare I say, simpler? It's like PowerPoint's younger, cooler cousin. The layout is clean and it's super intuitive, especially if you're new to creating presentations. Winner? If you're all about simplicity, WPS Slides takes this one. But if you're a PowerPoint pro, you might prefer sticking with what you know. Now, let's talk about what these tools can actually do. PowerPoint. It's a beast. From advanced animations to collaboration tools, it's got everything you could ever need. Plus, the integration with other Microsoft apps is seamless.
WPS Slides. Surprisingly powerful for a free, or much cheaper, option. It covers all the basics, templates, animations, transitions, but it doesn't have some of the more advanced features PowerPoint offers, like morph transitions or AI design suggestions. Winner? PowerPoint. But WPS Slides is no slouch, especially if you're not using those advanced features anyway. All right, let's talk money. PowerPoint. Part of the Microsoft 365 subscription, which can add up over time. WPS Slides. Free. Well, mostly. There's a premium version, but even the free version gives you a ton of value. Winner? WPS Slides. Hands down. If you're on a budget, this is a no-brainer. This one's important if you're sharing files with others. PowerPoint. It's the industry standard, so no surprise, it works everywhere. WPS Slides. Fully compatible with PowerPoint files, which is awesome. You can open, edit, and save .pptx files without any drama. Winner? Tie. WPS Slides keeps up with PowerPoint here. So, is WPS Slides a PowerPoint killer? Not quite. But it's definitely a strong contender, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly, easy-to-use alternative. PowerPoint still reigns supreme for advanced features and professional use, but WPS Slides is perfect for students, casual users, or anyone who just wants to whip up a quick presentation without breaking the bank. What do you think? Are you Team PowerPoint or Team WPS Slides? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, links to download both are in the description, so check them out and see which one works best for you. If you found this video helpful, check out our next video on the top 5 free video editors to take your content creation to the next level. And don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter on the 90-Second Tech channel for more tech tips and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.